Yan ang feel sa kanya. Pakinggan natin ang kwento ni Jay.
It still is not enough. Meet his older brother, James. Older by just 11 months. James is all praises for his younger brother.
Each week he keeps on getting better and better. Lately he's been practicing every morning, keeping me up or waking me up. To win this competition, he's getting, as I said, he's a confident person. He's always looking in the mirror, trying to make himself look as pretty as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Eula Valdez and a brother who's too good to be true, Phil Young husband.
Di ko napatanong mo iyan? Kapag niya na mga kakanta na yun, di na napaligtad.
Can't take my eyes off of you. Ladies and gentlemen, Eula Valdez.
Sumayaw pa. Si Eula, ganda sumayaw.
Eula Valdez! Thank you, gentlemen. Wow, Phil, I'm so proud of you, So, you know, I was so worried about you last week because I was doing a concert. Ako, is Phil still in? I'm so proud of you. You know, I voted for you. Even when I was singing, I was still voting.
Can I congratulate your concert? It was very good.
So you watched the concert?
I watched your concert. It was very good.
How is that possible? You were here and there. Okay, never mind.
Excuse me.
What?
We're here.
I know. Phil, don't do that. I have a hard time. But anyway, congratulations, huh? Yes.
Excuse me.
Regine, ano bang sabi ng judges dyan?
I'm getting confused,
Me also.
I'm getting mixed signals from you. It's very hard.
I'm confused myself.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay, so now.